Hi there everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. We're just going to do a workshop update and surgery update. Well, surgery recovery update. So anyway, we'll roll this intro and then we'll get into it. Okay, now we're back. Well, we had a 7-week update checkup today with the surgeon. Well, not him direct, one of his other colleagues, orthopedic surgeon that works with him. My progression of my recovery is that tad a little bit further ahead than what he was expecting. So I got the all clear to start doing some light duties and that, so I will be not back to work per se, but I will be back to doing some small stuff. I'll flip you around and I'll show you what I will be starting to make some stock for is these little corners here. Now I got this sample from another gentleman that said he was just making some, and that was it. Sorry about that, just had a bit of a something else to reply to. So yeah, so this sample is for the HKT&G wagons to go into this corner here, and that because they rust away here. Normally this one, I'm not sure, has been filled up with either filler or welded up, but I'll take you around to the driver's side and that, and I'll show you the difference. And that, because see where this one here has this little uppity bit here, it's like that here. It comes up and around, and it has a higher point in there, and it rusts up and around there. So even though if I flip that around that way, it will fit on the right hand side. So I'm not sure if he was making it for the right hand side or the left hand side, but that's it there. So it looks like it'll go either way. So I'll get in and I'll start working out a way to make these. I'll be making them out of a bit thicker metal, because I think that's a little bit too thin. I think it could do with being a little thicker. So yeah, so that's the update there. And then I've got down here another little project to do. FJ, FX, FX, FJ gauge surround. I've got to sandblast that. I've got a couple of chrome rings to go with that. So when I do this and I repaint this one, I'm going to paint it up silver, like I've done for another customer, and I'm going to pinstripe all these lines here and that in a colour of some sort, and that, and then I thought I might even just pinstripe up and around the edge and that as well. So that will have to go into the sandblasting cabinet and get done. So I'll make a little video on restoring that. And yeah, so that's what's happening at the moment. All clear to do small duties. None of the big panels just yet. I'll get, hopefully, I have a 6-week checkup in September. And then hopefully from September I will get the all clear to start back into making the bigger panels. So once I get the all clear of that, I'm going to be just making stock and that of a heap of the stuff. I'll probably make 5 boot floors to have them on hand and so forth and so forth. I do have a couple of small orders that I'll be sneaking in and that, but that's what the go is for now. So don't forget, if you're looking for any metal shaping tools, jump onto Metal Man Tools and give Dexter a call and tell him that Wayne sent you. And yeah, cheers Dexter, mate, for the sponsorship still. I appreciate working along with another Aussie company. So yeah, so till next time, stay safe, keep your rubber side down, and please like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to jump over and check out the description below for my PayPal Me and my buy us a coffee link. And well, I might actually just be able to put the QR code at the end of this video, so you guys can just pause it and send it on the QR code. Then yeah, check out all my friends in the description as well, and show them some love. Till next time, stay safe. Cheerio for now.